Welcome to my channel. Hello children. Today we are going to see English worksheets. This is first part and upcoming next parts let you know. Here you will know how to solve the worksheet. So let's get started. First I would like to request you, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon. That's why you will get new updates. So let's start it. Here first worksheet is match the letter to the correct picture. Okay. Here first letter is K. What is this? First letter is K. K for kite. Where is kite? Here. So match K to kite. Okay. Then second letter is L. L for lion. Where is lion? Lion is here. Then Phi. Phi for van. Van is here. Then M. M for mat. Mat is here. Then next one is E. E for egg. And last one is A. A for apple. A for apple. Okay. Let's move to the next worksheet. Match the letter to the correct picture also. Okay. Here first letter is F. F for fish. Okay. F for fish. Next one is T. T for top. T for top. I for igloo. Then X for xylophone. N for nest. And Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Okay. Let's move to the next worksheet. Circle the correct small letter. Here, look at here. First letter is capital Z. This is capital Z, and you have to identify the small z. Okay, where is small z? Small z is here. Oh, circle it. Then next one is capital E. So where is small e? Small e is here. Okay. So here first one is small z, then small e is here. Then here capital B. Where is small b? Small b is here. Okay. Then capital A. Where is small a? Small a is here. Circle it. Then L. Where is small l? Here. Okay. Then I. Where is small I? Here is small I. Then C. Where is small c? Small c is here. Then K. Where is small k? Here. Then S. Where is small s? S is here. And last one is D. Capital D. So where is small d? Where is small d? Small d is here. Okay. Got it? Then next worksheet is circle first letter of the picture. Okay. Identify the picture. Which is this fruit? What's the first picture? Kiwi. It's kiwi fruit. So one is done for you. K is here. So circle K. Okay. Then next one is question mark. It's a question mark. So where is Q? Its first letter is Q, right? So where is Q? Q is here. So circle it. Here third picture is, what is this? Donut. What is this? Donut. What's the first letter of the donuts? D. Okay. Then next one is lion. Where is first letter of the lion? L. L is here. Then next one is carrot. So where is carrot? Carrot's first letter C is here. Okay. Then next worksheet is, which is a picture? Rainbow. Okay. So what's the first letter of the rainbow? R. R is here. Then next one is ice cream. Where is I? I is here. Then next one is Christmas. Christmas tree. Okay. So where is X? First letter. What's the first letter of the Christmas tree? It's X. Okay. Then next one is zebra. So what's the first letter of the zebra? Z. The Z is here. Okay. Then next one is horse. Its first letter is H. H is here. Okay. Then next worksheet is match the picture with the letter with which its name begins and color the picture. Okay. Means you have to identify the picture and match to its first letter. Okay. Which is this picture? It's hat. What is this? Hat. So where is H? H is here. Okay. Then this is frog. So its first letter is F. F for frog. So where is F? F is here. Then next one is aeroplane. So its first letter is A. Its first letter is A. Where is A? Is here. Next one is cat. So its first letter is C. Where is C? Is here. Okay. Then next one is gate. What is this? So what's the first letter of the gate? G. G is here. Next one is engine. What is this? Engine. So what's the first letter of engine? E. E is here. Okay. Next one is butterfly. Its first letter is B and last one is dog and its first letter is D. Got it? Then here also trace the letter with which the name of the picture begin and color the picture. Okay, means you have to identify the picture and its first letter and then trace the correct first letter. Okay, here which is this picture? What's the picture? What's the name of the picture? It's an apple. It's an apple. What's the color of apple? Red. Okay. And what's the first letter of the apple? A. Okay. Where is A? A is here. A is here. Okay. So trace the A. Trace A and then color the apple. Okay. Then next one is butterfly. So what's the first letter of the butterfly? B. B is here. Trace B and then color the butterfly. Which color do you want? Okay. Whatever you would like, color butterfly. And then next one is, which is a picture? Cup. It's cup and its first letter is C. Okay. Color the picture. And then next one is duck. What is this? Duck. Where is D? D is here. Trace it D and color the picture. Then next one is balloon. Where is B? B is here. Color the balloon. And last one is drum. Its first letter is D. Where is D? D is here. Okay. So color the drum. Then next one is, which is this picture? This is umbrella. Okay. So what's the first letter of umbrella? U. Where is U? U is here. And then color the umbrella. Then next one is van. What is this? Van. So where is V? V is here. Then next one is W. Watch. What is this? Watch. So what's the first letter of the watch? W. W is here. Okay. Then next one is fill. What is this? Fill. So what's the first letter of the picture? W. W is here. And then this is Christmas tree. What is this? Christmas tree. So what is the first letter of Christmas tree? X. Where is X? Trace it and color the Christmas tree. What's the color of Christmas tree? It's green. Okay. Color green. And then next one is yo-yo. Okay. Where is Y? Y is here. Then next one is yak. Its first letter is Y. Okay. Then next one is zebra. Where is its first letter is Z. Zebra. Then next one is vase. What is this? It's a flower pots. Means vase. Its first letter is Phi. Okay. Then next one is circle the picture whose names begin with the letter given in each set. Means look at here. What's the first letter? Which is this letter? Q. Which is this letter? Q. Means you have to identify this all the pictures and identify their begin names, their first letter and circle it. Here is Q and this picture is quill. Means it is begin from Q, right? So circle it. Then snake. What is this? Snake. Is it begin from Q? No. Then it's quilt, right? It's quill. It's begin with Q, right? Then this is question mark. This is question mark. It's also begin with Q. Then circle it. Then next one is R. Which is this letter? R. So find out the pictures whose name begin with R. Here is rocket, right? Rocket. It's start from R. This is rose. It's also start from R. Then this is ring. It's also begins from R. And this is soap. No, it's not start from R. It's start from S. Okay. And this is yes. So find out the picture whose name begin with yes. This is snake. Yes. This is start from yes. Then this is strawberry. Yes. It's also start from yes. This is squirrel. It's also start from yes. This is cup. No, it's start from C. Okay. This is letter T. Right. So this is turtle. Right. It start from T. So circle it. This is sheep. No, it's not. No, start from T. This is girl. And this is toaster. Okay. This is start from T. Okay. Got it? Then our next worksheet is say the name of each picture. Color the picture that begin with the sound of the given letter. Trace the letter. Means first you have to identify the pictures. Okay. And then identify the first letter of the picture and trace the letter and color the picture which begin with the letter that given you. Which is this picture? Aeroplane, and this is ball. So what's the first letter of the aeroplane? A, and its first letter is B. So here is A. So which picture is begin with A? Aeroplane, right? So trace A letter and then color aeroplane only because it's begin with A. Okay. Then next one is B. B letter. Okay. And then this picture is dog and this is bear. So which one is begin with B? Bear, right? So color bear and trace B. Then next one is C letter, right? And this is apple and this is car. So which one is start from C? This is car. So color car and trace C letter. Then next letter is D and this picture is bat and this is door, right? So door is start from D. So color the door and trace D letter. Got it? Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.